And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, once again, getting a look at Tropical Storm Francine. You can see right now it's already moving up towards the eastern part of Mexico, but this storm will be tracking its way all the way up towards Louisiana, and unfortunately, by Wednesday afternoon, this storm will officially make landfall as a high-end Category 2 at this time. But with it being still in the ocean at this time, it's entirely possible that with the really hot ocean waters that the storm can strengthen even higher than the Category 2 if it has enough energy to do so. But hopefully that's not the case, but still watching the potential for the storm to reach Louisiana by Wednesday and then eventually track its way up towards our area by Friday, as by Friday night the system will be tracking its way all the way up towards Illinois. This track cone has actually changed in the last 10 minutes actually, as we were still expecting the system to be moving it our way, but looking ahead towards tonight, they're looking at a cold night tonight. Temperatures dropping down to 52 degrees with that south-southwest wind in place by tomorrow morning, so a nice cool night for our area. And temperatures tonight ranging from 49 to 54 degrees, so not too bad as we do begin the day on Tuesday. And as we progress throughout Tuesday, lots of sunshine, temperatures reaching the low 80s by Tuesday afternoon with those hazy, smoky skies still in place, at least not too much of it, but still just enough to make the skies look a little less than blue as we head throughout the course of your Tuesday. Now for Tuesday afternoon, 79 to 83 will be your high temperatures for tomorrow afternoon, so not looking too bad at all. Even with those warmer temperatures, that humidity will still be on the lower side, so looking quite good for Tuesday. As for the smoke forecast though, as we head towards Tuesday afternoon, looking at that smoke decreasing a little bit, but increasing a bit more as we head towards Wednesday, of the winds turning back to the southeast, unfortunately. As with that being the case, that will lead to the smoke coming back into our area by Wednesday morning. And speaking of Wednesday, with Wednesday afternoon, we'll be watching Hurricane Francine as it will make landfall again around Louisiana by Wednesday afternoon at this time. And after the storm does make landfall, this track cone does have the system moving up towards Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama by Thursday morning, and then eventually tracking its way up towards Indiana by Friday. Some rain falling in Missouri, Illinois, and even to portions of Indiana by Friday morning as well. And eventually this will spread up towards Lafayette by Friday evening. But as it does, it will encounter some drier air with it actually slowing down the system and also cutting off a lot of that rain potential for us, unfortunately, as with the high pressure off to the east, this will be sending drier air coming into the system. This will cut off the higher precip totals for our area, so not looking at much rainfall for our area, but at this time a few storms are possible between Friday evening and Saturday, and maybe even lingering into Sunday, especially for southwestern counties, as the system may stall around for quite a bit before eventually falls apart and dissipates eventually by early next week. But for this week, again, looking at that warmth in place for much of our region, and then that tropical rainfall moving our way as we head towards the end of this week, especially for Friday and going into Saturday as well. But again, the next several days looking quite warm. 87 on Wednesday, 90 on Thursday, the warmest in the forecast, and then those temperatures take a tumble down to 79 on Friday due to the added clouds and moisture in the air. And with that, just a chance of a spot shower on Friday. A couple storms possible on Saturday, not an all-day washout, just looking at that chance for a few showers in association to Tropical Storm Francine. And then Sunday looks to be a little better, a couple showers possible, 80 degrees, 78 on Monday, and then temperatures back into the 80s to finish off next week.